Welcome to filename.py. In this video, we'll be discussing control statements in Python. Control statements are nothing but it's just statements or keywords already written in Python, which we use to control the flow of execution of our code. As you can see in my screen, yes, we have a code like 4-line code which will give a message to our user. A small program which will print a message to the user, hello, good morning, user. So I think we can just print the message. Okay, hello, good morning, user. So what if I'm telling you I need to change the morning to afternoon and then to evening, then to night according to the time. So how can we implement this? Yeah, we can do this automatically by taking the current time of our system and then checking the time, and depending upon the time we can just like change the status of our time, right? We will be changing morning to afternoon, then to evening, then to night if you want. So that's how we can do that. So currently to explain the control statements, if and else conditions, anyway we'll be checking a condition, right, using with our time. So in order to explain this, I'm now taking system current time. We can do that using we have some Python module like date, time and system. We can take the current system time and all, but for easiness I'm just taking giving a variable with a time, a random time I'm giving. We can just give it in railway time. So I just gave 13. So in this case, 13 is the time. So which is basically 1 o'clock in 13 is in railway time, and which is 1 o'clock. So in 1 o'clock, the message should be hello, good afternoon, user, right? So how can I change that? I can just simply add a message afternoon, and I can also just add good evening too. Okay. So the question is, how can we just pick the right message from this? Actually, basically we have these three lines to determine, right, according to the time. So at 6 to 12, that when the time is 6 to 12, in between, we have to pick the morning and we have to neglect the afternoon and evening. So in another cases, it will be like afternoon and then evening. So how can we pick this? So in Python, we have a condition called, we have some statements called if else, and then if elif else is there, and we can also use just if alone. We can just use these are the statements, control statements we have in Python. So let's see how can we make use of these statements and to implement our need. Okay, so I'm just moving to our code. So these are the variable things, so we need to change according to the time. So I'm just using if statement here, and I'm just adding the condition. Our condition will be the time should be greater than 6 or equal to, sorry, greater than or equal to 6, and time will be less than or equal to 12, right, for the good morning message, right? So in order to make this statement, so when it if this condition is becomes true, I should print the morning statement, right? So I'm just giving an indentation to to denote that this is the part of this if statement. Now this print morning is became the body of this if statement, and that later I'm just adding another condition. I can simply add another if, and I can just put another condition like after 12 o'clock, not equal to, I'm just greater than equal greater than 12, and less than or equal to, let's give 5, right? Let's give 4. This also I'm just making under the if statement, and we have another evening. For this I'm just giving after 4 and up to 9. This is what our evening. And what else? Night. Print. Okay, we have night as well, right? So I'm just currently I'm just avoiding night. I'm just using only morning, afternoon and evening. So in this scenario, let's see how it will work. And I have just given the time input as 13. It should print the afternoon, right? So I'm just printing. Okay, nothing got printed. Time should be, oh yeah, I forgot. Like it was in railway time we have implemented, right? So 16. 21. Okay, so now I got a message like good afternoon evening user, what happened. Okay, 16. Okay, now it's okay. So we got the output as good afternoon. And so I can see that we have if else and if else, elif and else block. So what is the difference between all these things? You can see that if a condition got true, success, it will print the body of each statement, and else it will print the body of else statement. You can just understood the working of this if else from the statement itself. So like if we have multiple test cases in the same scenario, like we have a scenario, right? We need to change the message according to the time. That is our scenario, and these are all the test cases, three test cases, and we have one more two, which is night. So in these cases, we can just use if elif else block. So that's how we can use. Let's take an example. I'm just changing all the if to elif, and this I'm just adding else statement. If all the above condition got failed, I will be printing this statement. Let's give night, right? I'm just giving another 24. Okay, good night, hello, good night user. And what about 2 early morning, 2 o'clock? And that is also good night. So that's how it will work. And we can just we can also add just if else conditions too, depending upon you like situations or scenarios. So this is how it will work. If the time is 6 to 12, it will print morning, or else it will print night. So that this is how you can make use of these conditions, control statements. So we have if else, if else, and you can just do multiple examples using some numbers and all. And this is just a small example for you to understand the logic. So hope you all understood. If you are any when I have any queries, just ping me in the comment box. So see you in another video, and there will be discussing loops. Okay, bye.